Straight away we'll get into prime numbers pending problems. What are the problems are pending? First one we did it, odd plus odd even. Second one we did it, answer is 32. Third one we did it. Fourth one also we did it. Fifth one, this question also we did. Sixth, this question also we did. Seventh, sum of the two numbers should be a prime numbers. X plus 2 should not be a factor and a multiple. Any prime number greater than 3, it is a 6k plus or minus 1. 6k plus or minus 1. These and p factorial plus 1. 1 by 9 and everything. This question also we solved. Now, for how many positive integers is n cube minus 8n square plus 20n minus 13? There is a cubic expression that is given. N cube minus 28n square plus 20n minus 13. This should be a prime number. Key points. Key points. First one, if the sum of the coefficients, if the sum of the coefficients in P of x, if it is 0, then x minus 1 is a factor of P of x. Please make a note of it. Then if the sum of the coefficients in P of x is 0, then x minus 1 is a factor of P of x. What is a P of x? P of x is an expression. P of s is an polynomial expression. P of x is an polynomial expression. P of x is a polynomial expression. If the sum of the coefficients in P of x, if it is equivalent to 0, then x minus 1 is a factor of P of x. Then x minus 1 is a factor of P of x. Then x minus 1 is a factor of P of x. Example, 2x cube minus 5x square plus 7x minus 4. 2x square minus 5x square plus 7x minus 4. So, if the sum of the coefficients 2 minus 5 minus 3, 7 minus 3 4, 4 minus 4 0. So, x minus 1 is a factor of P of x. X minus 1 is a factor of P of x. How to determine whether x minus 1 is a factor of P of x? Sum of the coefficients of P power x. If the sum of the coefficients is 0, then x minus 1 is a factor of P of x. If the sum of the coefficients in P power x, if it is 0, then x minus 1 is a factor of P of x. Now, let us take this example. Solution, n cube minus 8n square plus 20n minus 13. Sum of the coefficients. Let us check what is happening for the sum of the coefficients in P of x. If I call this as a polynomial expression for x, P of x, sum of the coefficients. So, these is nothing but 1 minus 8 plus 20 minus 13, 21 minus 21, 21 minus 21 is 0. That means n minus 1 is a factor of P of n, we will write. N minus 1 is a factor of P of n. N minus 1 is a factor of P of n. So, we determined one factor is n minus 1. One factor is n minus 1. How to find out the quotient and the remainder? Please write down a concept. We just determined n minus 1 is a factor of P of n. How to find out? Right? Other factors, or in other words, how to find out the quotient and the remainder. Very important concept. Synthetic division. Synthetic division. Synthetic division. What is synthetic division approach? What is this approach and what is the application of this approach? Synthetic division approach. Synthetic division approach helps us in finding the quotient and the remainder. Helps us in finding the quotient and remainder. Helps us in finding the quotient and remainder. Helps us in finding the quotient and the remainder. If P of x is the dividend and divisor is d of x and this is q of x and the remainder is r of x. So dividend equivalent to divisor into quotient, divisor into quotient plus remainder, dividend equivalent to divisor into quotient plus remainder. What is this synthetic division approach? In this synthetic division approach, this will be given, this will be given, these two we need to be find out. P of x will be given, d of x will be given, these two will be given, these two will be given. If these two will be given, we have to determine q of x and r of x. Quotient and remainder, we need to find it out. We need to find quotient and remainder, these both we need to find. How to find it? We will see it using the approach. Not only this example, other examples also we will take. Synthetic division approach. This synthetic division approach helps us in finding the quotient and the remainder. It helps us in finding the quotient and the remainder. Dividend equivalent to divisor into quotient plus remainder. D of x into q of x plus r of x. Q of x, r of x, we have to find it. Q of x, r of x, we have to find it. How to find out? We will see. Please write down examples. Then we will come to this number. Example. P of x is x cube minus 7x square plus 5x plus 12. Q of x is x minus 2. D of x, sorry. Find q of x and find r of x. Find the quotient and the remainder. P of x is x cube minus 7x square plus 5x plus 12 and the divisor is x minus 2. Find the quotient and the remainder. Find the quotient and the remainder. Approach. Listen carefully, sir. Very interesting approach. Very interesting approach. Side heading, write down. Praveen. Very interesting approach. Listen carefully, sir. Very interesting approach. Step number 1. Write down the coefficients of these expansion in a serial order. X cube coefficient is 1. X square coefficient is minus 7. Minus 7. Minus 7. X coefficient is 5. Constant is 12. If something is missing, if suppose 5x is missing, put a 0 there. Write down in the sequential order. Write down in the sequential order. It is divided by x minus 2. It is divided by x minus 2. So put x equivalent to 2. Equate it with a 0. Put x equivalent to 2. 1 minute. Hold on, Praveen. Start with 0. 1 plus 0, 1. Multiply with this. 1, 2s are 2. Then add this. Minus 7 plus 2 is minus 5. Then multiply it. 2 into minus 5 is minus 10. 5 minus 10 is minus 5. Minus 5. 2s are minus 10. This is 2. Again I am explaining. Start with 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1. Multiply with the value equated with 0. X minus 2 is 0. X will be 2. 1 plus 0, 1. 1, 2s are 2. Minus 7 plus 2 is minus 5. Minus 5, 2s are minus 10. 5 minus 10 is minus 5. Minus 5 2s are minus 10. 12 minus 2 is 10 is 2. The last number is nothing but the remainder. Last number is nothing but the remainder, and this is nothing but the quotient of x. When a cubic is divided by linear, answer will be quadratic. So answer is quotient will be x square minus 5x plus 5, and the remainder will be 2. And the remainder will be 2. 2 or 3 examples will solve. It should be clear to you. P of x, x cube minus 7x square plus 5x plus 12. Write down in the sequential order. If I write in the sequential order, x cube it is 1, x square coefficient is minus 7, x is 5 and remaining is 12. Start with 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 2s are 2. Minus 7 plus 2 is minus 5. Minus 5 2s are minus 10. 5 minus 10 is minus 5. Minus 5 2s are minus 10. 12 minus 10 is 2. The last one is nothing but the remainder. The last one is nothing but the remainder, and this is nothing but the quotient. When a cubic is divided by linear, answer will be quotient. Answer will be quotient. So answer quotient is nothing but degree 2 here. So answer is x square minus 5x plus 5. What is the remainder? 2. One more example we will solve. One more example we will solve. Then it will be very easy for you to understand. This is known as synthetic division approach. Synthetic is unreal. So instead of doing the generic division, how to do by using synthetic division. Example 2. Example 2. 3 examples I will solve. 3 examples I will solve, then we will do it. Right? 3 examples I will solve. Second example. Second example. See here. This is solution. Now see, let us solve this question. N cube, it is 1. N cube, it is 1. N square, it is minus 8. It is 20. And it is minus 13. This is divided by n minus 1 is a factor. N minus 1 is 0. N equivalent to 1. Start with 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 ones are 1. These minus 7. 20 minus 7, 13. 13 ones are 13. These 0. Last one is remainder 0. So these n cube minus 8n square plus 20n minus 13 is n minus 1 is a factor. What is the another factor? N square minus 7n plus 13. I hope it is clear how to write down the cubic as linear into quadratic. What is the concept he said? He said that this is a prime number. This is a prime number. Prime number will have two distinct factors, 1 and itself. 1 and itself. Case 1. Case 1. N minus 1 is 1. N will be 2. N will be 2. So the next case will be n square minus 7n plus 13. It should give me p, which is a prime number. 2 square is 4. 4 minus 7, 2s are 14 plus 13. 13 plus 4, 17. 17 minus 14. Yes, p. P is 3. 3 is a prime number. This is clear. This is clear. I hope it is clear. Praveen, konja judamma. Next one. N minus 1 is p. N minus 1 is p. N square minus 17n. 7n plus 13 equivalent to 1. N equivalent to 3 comma 4. N equivalent to 3 comma 4. Factors for n square minus 7n plus 12 equivalent to 0. N is 3 comma 4. 3 minus 1 is 2. 4 minus 1 is 3. So there are two values that we got. P value is 2 or 3. I hope it is clear. Kindly reply in the live chat if it is clear to you. Kindly reply in the live chat if it is clear to you. Any idea? Any idea? Any idea? Any doubts? Kindly mention. Any doubts? Kindly mention. Any doubts till now? Kindly mention. Praveen. Right, Rambabu? I hope it is clear how to use a synthetic division. N minus 1 is 0. N is 1. N cube coefficient is 1. 1 minus 8, 20 minus 13. Start with 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 ones are 1. Minus 8 plus 1 is 7. Minus 7. 1 into minus 7. Minus 7. So, till here I hope it is clear. Then we have to see the definition. N square minus 7n plus 13. Again I am explaining. N minus 1 is a factor of this number. So, n minus 1 is 0. Write down all the coefficients in serial order. N cube is 1. 8n square coefficient is minus 8. 20 minus 13. Start with 0. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 ones are 1. Minus 8 plus 1 is minus 7. 1 into minus 7 minus 7. 20 minus 7 is 13. 13 ones are 13. Minus 13 plus 13 0. So 1 is n minus 1 and another is n square minus 7n plus 13. This number should be a prime number. This number should be a prime number. Prime number will have two factors, 1 and p. 1 and p. Please mention exactly what is the doubt, right? I will not be able to explain everything. Ask me where is the doubt neatly. 1 into p, p into 1. Either n minus 1 should be 1 or n square minus 7n plus 13 is 1. Case 1 and case 2 you will get the answer. Right, Kavita and Usha, mention exactly what is the doubt. Don't ask me to repeat the entire problem. You might be stuck in a particular point. Ask me to repeat that point. Maheshwar Reddy, I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear. Idea clear, right? Next question. We will do one more question in synthetic division so that everybody it will be clear. X minus 2. Praveen, Rambabu. X minus 3, it is divisor. X cube minus 5x square plus 12x plus 23. Find out this one. This is the polynomial. So use pen padatledayya. Right? So find the quotient and find the remainder. Find the quotient and find the remainder. Find the quotient and find the remainder. Try to solve this question. X cube. X cube it is 1. 5x square it is minus 5. Coefficient of x is 12. Remainder is 23. 1 minus 5, 12, 23. X minus 3 is a factor. X minus 3 equivalent to 0. So x equivalent to 3. X equivalent to 3. Start with 0. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 3s are 3. Minus 5 plus 3. Minus 2. 3 minus 2 minus 6. 12 minus 6, 6. 6 3s are 18. 23 plus 18, 41. This is the remainder and this is the quotient. Quotient is x square minus 2x plus 6. What is the remainder? Remainder is 41. remainder is 41. I hope the idea is clear. I hope Usha right now it should be clear. Kavita, I hope it is clear. Synthetic division. I hope synthetic division is clear to you. Next one. Another beautiful question. Consider the following numbers. X is n power 4 plus 4 power n, where n is an integer. Which of the following statements are true? X and y both are composite here. X and y are both composite. X is prime but y is composite. Y is prime but x is composite. X and y are both composite. Now if you see, y is nothing but n power 4 minus 20n square plus 4. So this is nothing but n power 4 minus 4n square plus 4 minus 16n square. This is nothing but n square plus 2 whole square minus 4n whole square minus 4n whole square. A square minus b square, a plus b and a minus b. N square plus 2 minus 4n. I hope it is clear. N power 4 minus 20n square plus 4, which is nothing but n power 4 minus 4n square plus 4 minus 16n square. N square plus 2 whole square minus 4n whole square. This is a and this is b. If you observe, a prime number is a number which has got two factors, 1 and itself. It is not 1, it is more than 1. So y is definitely composite. Y has got two factors other than 1 and itself. What is that factor? One factor is n square plus 2 plus 4n. What is the other factor? N square plus 2 minus 4n. Minus 4n. Why are we decompose this number as a product of two factors? Because to check whether the number is prime or composite, right, we have to do this. The entire idea lies in minus 4n square plus 4 minus 16n square. N square, sorry, it is minus 2 whole square. This is minus 2 whole square. I wrote it as plus 2. So this is nothing but n square, n square, n square. N square minus 2 plus 4n, n square minus 2 minus 4n. I hope it is clear, right? N square minus 2 plus 4n, n square minus 2 minus 4n. Idea clear? It is giving you two factors a and b. It is giving you two factors a and b. So y is composite. Y cannot be prime. Y cannot be prime. Two options are eliminated. We are stuck with two more options. We are stuck with two more options. We have to see which one is right. I hope it is clear. First one, right? Why how it is composite. So you can check it out 1 into p or p into 1. 1 into p or p into 1. N square plus 4n is 3. N square plus 4n is 3. Are you getting any value? For 1, please check it out. N square minus 2 minus 4n is 1. Check it out whether you are getting any integer value. Both of them are not giving you integer value. So therefore the answer is composite. I hope it is clear. Next one, x value. X is nothing but n power 4 plus 4 power n. N power 4 is n square whole square. This is nothing but 2 power n whole square. Are you all with me? N square whole square plus 2 power n whole square. A square plus b square is a plus b whole square minus 2 into n square into 2 power 1 n. I hope it is clear. So this is n square plus 2 power n whole square minus n square into 2 power n plus 1 minus n square into 2 power n plus 1. Now this is nothing but, I will do one case, next case you can do. If n is an odd number, 2k plus 1. If n is an odd number, this is n square plus 2 power n whole square minus n square into 2 power 2k plus 1 plus 1, 2 power 2k plus 2. So this is nothing but n square plus 2 power n whole square minus this is nothing but n into 2 power k plus 1 power 2. Can I write like this? Can I write like this? Why we are taking n is an odd number? If n is an odd number, if n is an odd number, 2k plus 1. Again I got two factors. Even if you do by 1 into p, p into 1, you will not get that as a prime number. So x is not prime and y is not prime. So answer is x and y both are composite. Again I am explaining. N power 4 and 2 power 4. Why am I taking n as 2k plus 1? Suppose if I take n as 2 even number, x will become even number power even. 4 even number power any number even. Anyway for even, this number is not a prime number. X is not a prime number for an even number. Why? Because even power 4 is even. 4 power any number is even. Even plus even is even. For n even, it is not a calculation one. N is odd. N square whole square plus 2 power n whole square. So n square plus 2 power n whole square minus 2 into n square into 2 power n. N square plus 2 power n whole square minus n square into 2 power n plus 1. If n is an odd number is 2k plus 1. Wherever if I substitute 2k plus 1, anyway this will be square. 2k plus 1 plus 1, 2k plus 2. So this will become another square. A square minus b square is a minus b into a plus b. And then do it as 1 into b, p into 1. You will not get the case. So answer for this question is x is composite and y is composite. X is composite and y is composite. I hope the idea is clear. X and y, how to decompose the number into product of two distinct factors. The entire idea is to write this number as product of two distinct factors, that is one and itself. If you are able to write it, then the number is a prime number. If you are unable to write it, then the number is a composite number. Answer for this question is x is composite, y is composite. Next one. Beautiful question, sir. Extremely good question. Students will think it is a difficult question, but actually it's a very easy question. Right? First we will do it for y. Y is nothing but 16 power 8. I will do like this. Minus 1 minus of 16 power 5 plus 16 power 3. I will tell you why am I writing like this. This is nothing but 16 power minus this 16 power 3, 16 power 2 minus 1. Can I write like this? 16 power 8 minus 1 is 16 square power 4 minus 1 power 4 minus 16 cube into 16 square minus 1. A power n minus b power n. A power n minus b power n is always divisible by a minus b if n is a natural number. A power n minus b power n is always divisible by a minus b if n is a natural number. This is divisible by 16 square minus 1. This is also divisible by 16 square minus 1. 16 square minus 1 will be out, which is 255. Which is 255. Number divisible by 255, it will be composite. It will be composite. Second is out. Third is out. Again I am explaining. This is 16 power 8 minus 1 minus of 16 power 5 plus 16 power 3. 16 power 8 minus 1. If I take 16 cube common, 16 square minus 1, 16 square minus 1, a power n minus b power n, it is nothing but it is divisible by a minus b. This entire value is divisible by a minus b. This entire value is divisible by a minus b. So total it is divisible by 256 minus 1, 255, 255, right? So 255. Answer is divisible by 255. How can it be a prime number? So first option is out. Third option is out. We are stuck in 2 and 4. Highly repeated CAT questions, sir. These models are highly repeating in CAT questions. Right? I hope first is out and third is out. Now first one. Idea is clear, right? First one. Forget about 20. I will take this series n power 5 plus n power 4 plus 1. N power 5 plus n power 4 plus 1. Can I write this equation as n power 5 plus n power 4 plus n cube minus n cube plus n square minus n square plus n minus n plus 1. I'll tell you why am I doing it. Why am I doing it? N power 5 plus n power 4 plus 1. I added n cube, subtracted n cube. I added n square, subtracted n square. I added n and subtracted n. Suppose if I take n cube common here, this will become n square plus n plus 1. Am I right? Suppose if I take all negative terms, this is nothing but minus n cube minus n square minus n plus n square plus n plus 1. Can I say this is nothing but n cube into n square plus n plus 1 minus n into n square plus n plus 1 plus n square plus n plus 1. All the three, if I take this common, if I take this common, this is nothing but n square plus n plus 1 into n cube minus n plus 1. Can I write like this? See this equation. Yes, I will repeat it again in case if need be. Just observe this. N power 5 plus n power 4 plus 1. I added n cube, subtracted n cube. I added n square, subtracted n square. I added n and subtracted n. So if I take n cube common, n square plus n plus 1. Minus n cube minus n square minus n. From there if I take n common, again n square plus n plus 1. Here I got n square plus n plus 1. Here I got n square plus n plus 1. Third also I got n square plus n plus 1. So I wanted to write this number as a product of two factors, which is a into b. So it is divisible by n square plus n plus 1. If it is divisible by n square plus n plus 1, x cannot be a prime number. X cannot be a prime number and y cannot be a prime number. X is not prime and y is not prime. X is not prime and y is not prime. So answer for this question is x and y both are composite. X and y both are composite. How to check whether a number is a prime number or not? In prime number session 1, I discussed that there are 237 rules to check whether a number is a prime number or not. Rule 1, even concept. Rule 2, a power n minus b power n concept. Rule 3, a power n plus b power n concept. These are some more rules. Write the number as a product of two factors. I hope the idea is clear. I hope seems to be a difficult question, but actually it's an easy question. It's an easy question if you understand the concept. Idea clear. X is not prime, y is not prime. One more important conclusion. N power 4 plus, what is the previous question? N power 5. N power 5 plus n power 4 plus 1. N power 5 plus n power 4 plus 1 is not a prime number. This is what we determined. N power 5 plus n power 4 plus 1. This is not a prime number. This is the conclusion from the previous question. N power 5 plus n power 4 plus 1. It is not a prime number. If I take x, this is nothing but 243 into, how many digits are there? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 243 into 10 power 10. 81. How many digits are there? 81 into 10 power 8 plus 1. This is nothing but 3 into 10 square power 5. This is nothing but 3 into 10 square power 4 plus 1 power 4. Just now we discussed n power 5 plus n power 4 plus 1 is not a prime number. Is not a prime number. Is not a prime number. I hope it is clear, right? So x is composite. X is composite. Previous question can be used in this question. N power 5 plus n power 4 plus 1. 243 into 10 power 10. 81 into 10 power 8 plus 1. So it is 3 into 10 square power 5. 3 into 10 square power 4 plus 1. If I call this as n power 5 plus n power 4 plus 1. N power 5 plus n power 4 plus 1. This is not a prime number. This is out. First one, most repeated model in latest competitive examination. Most repeated model in the latest competitive examination. Right? Now see here. X is not a composite number. Now we will do Y and Z. Now we will do Y and Z. I hope it is clear why this largest number is not a prime number. Next one. Y equivalent to 2 power 58 plus 1 divided by 5. 2 power 58 plus 1. This is nothing but 2 power 29 power 2 plus 1 power 2 plus 1 power 2. A square minus b square plus b square. A plus b. A plus b. So this is nothing but a plus b whole square. 2 into, what am I doing? This is nothing but a plus b. 2 into 2 power 29 plus 1 whole square. A square plus b square is a plus b whole square minus 2ab. A plus b whole square minus 2ab. So this is nothing but minus 2 into 2 power 29 into 1. So this is nothing but 2 power 29 plus 1 whole square minus 2 power 30 is 2 power 15 whole square. So this is nothing but a plus b and a minus b. A plus b and a minus b. 2 power 29 plus 1. 2 power 29 plus 1 plus 2 power 15 into 2 power 29 plus 1 minus 2 power 15. These are the factors. So this will be a composite number. This is method 1. Don't do this method 1 in the examination. Right? We will check method number 2. 2 power 58 plus 1. 2 power 29 whole square plus 1 whole square. A square plus b square is a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So this will become 2 power 29 plus 1 whole square minus 2 power 30. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. So it has got factors other than 1 and itself. So it is a composite number. So it is a composite number. Second one also it is a composite number. Second one also it is a composite number. I hope the idea is clear. But in method 2, method 1 I hope it is clear. Method 2. What you can do is 2 power 58 plus 1 divided by 5. First check whether it is divisible by 5. This is nothing but a remainder of 2 square power 29 plus 1 divided by 5. 4 when divided by 5 minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0. That means this number is divisible by 5. If this is divisible by 5, this becomes a composite number. This becomes a composite number. This becomes a composite number. I hope the idea is clear. 2 power 58 plus 1 divided by 5. 2 square power 29 plus 5. 4 divided by 5 is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0. That means answer is divisible by 5. If this is divisible by 5, how can it be a prime number? Method 2. Method 2. How to check whether a number is a prime number or a composite number? How to check whether a number is a prime number or a composite number? I hope method 2 is clear to you. Method 3. Method 3. Method 2 should be clear to you. Method 3. Third problem. Z equivalent to 5 power 12. 5 power 12 plus 2 power 10. 2 power 10. What you do is 12 and 10. What is the HCF? HCF of 12 and 10 is 2. 12 and 10 HCF is 2. So this is nothing but 5 power 6 power 2 plus 2 power 5 power 2. 2 power 5 power 2. A square plus B square. A square plus B square is A plus B whole square minus 2AB. 2 into 2 power 5 into 5 power 6. So this is nothing but 5 power 6 plus 2 power 5 whole square minus 2 power 6 is 2 cube into 5 cube whole square. A square minus B square is A into B. 5 power 6 plus 2 power 5 plus 2 cube into 5 cube. 5 power 6 plus 2 power 5 minus 2 cube into 5 cube. So it is divisible by two numbers. Answer for this question is composite. This is composite. This is composite. And this is also composite. Very good question. Little time taking approach, but a very good question to understand. The concept. 5 power 12 plus 2 power 10. 5 power 6 power 2 plus 2 power 5 power 2. A square plus B square. A plus B whole square minus 2AB. 5 power 6 plus 2 power 5 whole square minus 2 cube into 5 cube whole square. Entire idea is to write the number as a product of two factors such that it satisfies 1 into P and P into 1. If it satisfies, then it is a prime number. If it is not satisfying, then it is a composite number. If it is not satisfying, then it is a composite number. I hope the idea is clear to you. I hope the ideas are clear to you. Kindly reply in the live chat if this concept is clear to you. Prime number session 4. Prime number session 4. After watching the 4 videos of prime number, most likely any question with respect to prime number that came in the examination or something which may come, I have discussed every possible model. Composite, composite, composite. I hope the idea is clear. Composite, composite, composite. Next question. Please write down, sir. Next question. Next one. Next one. So x and x, y, z all are composite. This is the answer. X, y and z, all the numbers are composite numbers. All the numbers are composite numbers. Next one. If Q is a prime number, already we discussed this model. if q is a prime number, if q is a prime number, q plus 4 and q plus 14 both should also be prime. So if q is 2, 2 plus 4 is 6, 2 plus 14 is 16, not possible. If q is 3, 7, 3 plus 14 is 17, possible. Any prime number greater than 3, 6k plus 1 or 6k minus 1, 6k plus 1 plus 4, 6k plus 5, 6k plus 1 plus 14, 6k plus 15, divisible by 3, divisible by 3. These is nothing but 6k plus 3, 6k plus 13, divisible by 3, divisible by 3. Not possible, not possible. The only number which is possible is 3, 7 and 17. 3, 7 and 17. I hope the idea is clear. I hope the idea is clear. Prime numbers advanced session 4. Prime numbers advanced session 4. I hope this idea is clear. Now, how many questions are left? How many numbers are there less than or equivalent to? Numbers should be less than or equivalent to 500 such that each of which is the product of more than 3 distinct prime numbers. 3 distinct prime numbers. 3 other more than means there should be 4 prime numbers. 4 prime numbers. Distinct prime numbers. Sir, why you have not taken 5 prime numbers? The lowest 5 prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Numbers should be less than or equivalent to 500. 77, 385. It is exceeding 500. So 5 cannot be taken. 4 can be taken. So let me take what is the prime number set? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and so on. Numbers should be less than or equivalent to 500. So take 4 numbers, 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. 7 5s are 35, 105, 210. Answer is 210. 210 is less than 500. If I take 2 into 3 into 5 into 11. 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30, 30 11s are 330. Next one. If I take 2 into 3 into 5 into 13. 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30, 30 13s are 390. 390. I cannot take 2 into 3 into 5 into 17 because 30 into 17 is 510. 510 is exceeding 500. 2, 3, 5, 7 we have taken. Let us take another 4. 3 into 5 into 7 into 11. 11 7s are 77. 77 into 15. It is exceeding 500. It is exceeding 500. Let me take another number. 2 into 3 into 7 into 11. 2 3s are 6, 6 7s are 42. 42 11s are 462. 462. 1, 2, 3, 4 and everything. So take any combination of 4 numbers. Ensure that the 4 numbers multiplication is less than or equivalent to 500. Why we are not taking 5 numbers? 5 numbers product is becoming greater than 500. 5 numbers product is becoming greater than 500. So that is not possible. So that is not possible. I hope the idea is clear. 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. 2 into 3 into 5 into 11. 2, 3, 5, 13. 2, 3, 7, 11. Total I got 4 cases. In case if I do any calculation mistake, please take care of it. If you have done any calculation mistake, please take care of it. I hope it is clear. Idea is clear. One more. There is a 3-digit natural number ABC is written side by side to form a 6-digit natural number which is ABC ABC. We have clearly discussed in our prime number session 2. Any 3-digit number written even number of times, any 3-digit number written even number of times, any 3-digit number written even number of times is always divisible by 7, 11, 13. Please make a note of it. Any 3-digit number written even number of times is always divisible by 7, 11, 13. Why we wrote that one? Why? Because 10 cube by 7 or 11 or 13, the value is minus 1. 10 cube by 7 is minus 1. 10 cube by 11 is minus 1. 10 cube by 13 is minus 1. So answer is, it is divisible by 7, 11 and 13. Any 3-digit number written even number of times is always divisible by 7, 11 and 13. Any 3-digit number written even number of times is always divisible by 7, 11 and 13. I hope the concept is clear. This is something which we discussed in our previous class. Any 3-digit number written even number of times is always divisible by 7, 11 and 13. Next one, we already discussed this question. Right now, these also we discussed. What is the largest integer that always divides n power 7 minus n? What is the largest number that will divide n power 7 minus n? This is nothing but n into n power 6 minus 1. This is nothing but n cube whole square minus 1 square. This is nothing but n into n cube minus 1 into n cube plus 1. This is nothing but n cube is, we will write it like this so that it will be little clear. N power 7 minus n is n into n power 6 minus 1. This is n into n cube whole square minus 1 whole square. This is n into n cube plus 1 into n cube minus 1. Now if you see here, a power n plus b power n is always divisible by a plus b if n is an odd number. If it is a power n plus b power n is always divisible by a plus b if n is an odd number. So these n like this. These is divisible by n plus 1. These is divisible by n minus 1. These are 3 consecutive natural numbers. These are 3 consecutive natural numbers. Consecutive natural numbers are always divisible by 6. Don't write down here, hurry. Answer is 6. N minus 1, n plus 1. These are 3 consecutive natural numbers. 3 consecutive natural numbers is always divisible by 6. Is always divisible by 6. But I just discussed a concept in the previous session. What is that concept? We will write down that concept. If x is a prime number, if x is a prime number, if x is a prime number, a power x minus a is always divisible by x. If always divisible by x, if a is a natural number, we wrote this point. If x is a prime number, a power x minus a is always divisible by x if a is a natural number. So n power 7 minus n is always divisible by 7. It is divisible by 7. It is divisible by 6. Answer for this question is 7 6 are 42. Answer for this question is 7 6 are 42. I hope the idea is clear. N into n power 6 minus 1. N power 6 is n cube whole square minus 1 whole square. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b, a plus b into a minus b. Here if you see, this is 1 whole cube, this is minus 1 cube. A power n plus b power n is always divisible by a plus b if n is an odd number. D is divisible by n plus 1, D is divisible by n minus 1. 3 consecutive natural numbers, it is always divisible by 6. It is always divisible by 6. According to this property, this number is divisible by 7. So it is divisible by 7 and divisible by 6. So answer for this question is 42. Answer for this question is 42. This completes prime numbers advanced session.